Think about the biggest moments in human history: discovering fire, harnessing electricity. These were not just inventions but turning points that changed the very fabric of our lives. They marked the dawn of new eras, opening up possibilities that our ancestors could hardly imagine. These weren't just improvements, they were leaps that reshaped humanity. Each leap brought us closer together, allowed us to build, to explore, and to dream bigger than ever before. Fire let us cook, stay warm, and keep predators away. It was our first tool for survival, but also for connection, gathering around a campfire, sharing stories, and building community. Electricity lit up our nights and powered our cities. It brought light to darkness, made our homes safer, and fueled inventions that transformed every aspect of daily life. Now, we're witnessing another leap: artificial intelligence, or AI. This is not just another tool, but a force that could redefine what it means to be human. AI isn't just a gadget or app, it's a new kind of power, changing our world at a fundamental level. It's spreading across the globe, connecting people, ideas, and industries in ways we're only beginning to understand. It's helping us solve problems once thought impossible, from decoding the mysteries of the universe to finding cures for diseases that have plagued us for centuries. And it's opening doors to new possibilities, new jobs, new ways to learn, and new forms of creativity and expression. Like fire and electricity, AI brings both promise and challenge. It can be a tool for good or a source of risk, depending on how we choose to use it. At its core, AI means building machines that can learn, adapt, and even surprise us with their creativity. They can think, reason, and solve problems, sometimes in ways that humans never would have considered. What was once science fiction, talking robots, smart computers, is now reality. Today's AI can see, understand language, and even hold conversations that feel almost human. AI is making scientific discoveries, exploring distant planets, and helping us unlock secrets of life in the universe. This isn't about faster calculators, it's about a new partner in our quest for knowledge. AI is becoming a collaborator, working alongside us to solve the world's biggest challenges. AI will touch every part of our lives: work, learning, healthcare, and more. It will help doctors diagnose illnesses, teachers personalize lessons, and workers invent new ways to create and build. Like fire, AI offers both warmth and risk. It can bring comfort and progress, but also demands respect and caution. We must decide how to use this new force. The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. The story is just beginning, and we all have a part to play. Together, we can shape this new era, one where AI becomes a force for good, lighting the way to a brighter future for everyone. When something as powerful as AI arrives, it sparks both hope and fear. Some see AI as the key to curing diseases, solving climate change, and exploring space, supercharging human potential. Others worry about losing control, unintended consequences, and risks that threaten our very survival. This split between optimism and caution shows just how significant this moment is. We're navigating uncharted territory, with incredible promise on one side and serious danger on the other. In the early days, artificial intelligence was all about following strict rules. These early AI systems were like diligent students, excellent at carrying out instructions, but unable to think outside the box. They could only do what they were told, and nothing more. Take chess, for example. Back then, if you wanted a computer to play chess, you had to program every possible move, every strategy, and every response by hand. Human programmers painstakingly mapped out the game, move by move. This approach led to famous moments like when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world champion Garry Kasparov. But Deep Blue was a specialist. It could play chess, and only chess. It couldn't learn new games or adapt to new challenges. Then a revolution happened: machine learning. Instead of giving AI a list of rules, we started giving it goals and lots of examples. The AI would figure out the patterns on its own, learning from the data we provided. Take AlphaZero, for instance. It learned to master chess by playing against itself millions of times, inventing strategies that no human had ever seen before. It wasn't just following instructions, it was discovering, experimenting, and innovating. Today's AI learns from experience much like a person does. It adapts, improves, and even surprises us with creative solutions. This ability to learn and adapt makes modern AI incredibly powerful and versatile, able to take on a wide range of tasks. Now AI can recognize faces in photos, translate languages in real time, and even drive cars safely through busy streets. It does all this not because we wrote every rule, but because it learned from vast amounts of data. We no longer need to spell out every single step or anticipate every possible scenario. AI can generalize from what it's seen and figure out new solutions on its own. Our job is to provide the right data and set the right goals. The AI does the rest, uncovering patterns and making decisions we might never have considered. This shift, from following rigid rules to truly learning the game, has changed everything about what AI can do. Now, AI can tackle problems we never imagined, from diagnosing diseases to composing music and creating art. The more data and experience it gains, the more it can learn, grow, and expand its abilities. That's why AI is so transformative. It's not just following instructions anymore. It's learning, evolving, and shaping the future in ways we're only beginning to understand. Remember the story of King Midas, the legendary king who wished that everything he touched would turn to gold? It's a tale that's been told for centuries, a warning about the dangers of getting exactly what you ask for without thinking through the consequences. Midas's wish was granted, literally, and what seemed like a blessing quickly became a curse. He couldn't eat, couldn't hug his loved ones, and even his daughter was turned to gold. The very thing he wanted most became his greatest regret. This ancient myth actually mirrors a very modern problem in artificial intelligence, known as the alignment problem. It's about what happens when powerful systems do exactly what we say, but not what we mean. When we give AI a goal, it might pursue it with relentless logic, following our instructions to the letter but missing the spirit behind them. The result? Outcomes that are technically correct but completely misaligned with our true intentions. Take the famous thought experiment. Imagine telling a super intelligent AI to make as many paperclips as possible. Without understanding our values, the AI could turn everything, even people, animals, and the entire planet, into paperclips, all in the name of maximizing its goal. It's not being malicious, it's just being efficient, and that's the problem. The AI isn't evil or out to get us, it's simply doing exactly what we asked, without any sense of context, empathy, or understanding of what we truly value as humans. This is the heart of the alignment challenge. How do we ensure that AI systems understand not just our words, but the intentions, ethics, and values behind them? How do we teach machines to care about what we care about? The alignment problem is about more than just programming rules. It's about teaching AI to want what we really want, not just what we say, but what we mean, even when we're not perfectly clear ourselves. If we get this wrong, the consequences could be disastrous. From small misunderstandings to world-changing mistakes, the risks are real and growing as AI becomes more powerful. That's why it's so important to find ways to ensure that AI's goals and motivations are truly aligned with our own. It's not just a technical challenge, it's a human one. Solving the alignment problem is one of the hardest and most important questions in AI today. It requires creativity, caution, and a deep understanding of both technology and humanity. The story of King Midas is a timeless reminder. Be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it exactly as you asked. With AI, we need to wish wisely, and, just as importantly, communicate our wishes clearly and thoughtfully, so that our creations truly serve us. The future of AI, and perhaps even humanity, depends on getting this right. Alignment isn't just important, it's everything. Solving the alignment problem means teaching AI to understand our true intentions. It's not about making AI less smart, but making it wiser, able to grasp context and ask for clarification. One approach is inverse reinforcement learning. AI observes us and learns what we value by watching our actions. For example, a household robot learns not just to clean, but to care for pets and avoid breaking things. We also want AI to be humble, uncertain enough to check with us before making big decisions. Building in off switches and deference to human judgment is key. Aligning AI with human values is as much a philosophical challenge as a technical one. We must agree on what values to encode, even as humans disagree. Building wise AI means becoming wiser humans ourselves. AI's risks aren't just distant threats, they're here now. Malicious uses like autonomous weapons or mass surveillance are real dangers. Even well-meaning AI can cause disasters. A bug in an AI managing the power grid could trigger a blackout, or a trading algorithm could crash markets in seconds. The biggest fear is super-intelligent AI with goals misaligned to ours, an existential risk. If we rush ahead without safety, we may not get a second chance. The race to build powerful AI must be matched by a race for safety and wisdom. Like nuclear technology, AI demands global cooperation and caution. With great power comes even greater responsibility. AI isn't just a risk, it's a scientific super tool. It's already helping us solve problems that stumped humans for decades. Take AlphaFold. It cracked the protein folding problem, predicting the shapes of millions of proteins in minutes. This leap is accelerating drug discovery, disease research, and even environmental solutions. AI is also revolutionizing astronomy, materials science and physics, analyzing data at a scale no human could match. It's like giving every scientist a brilliant, tireless assistant. The result? Faster breakthroughs, new medicines, and solutions to global challenges. AI amplifies human ingenuity. The potential for good is enormous. We're entering a new era of discovery. AI is opening doors we never thought possible. AI is a tool, not a destiny. Its impact depends on how we use it. Like fire, AI can build or destroy, it's up to us. The future of AI isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create. The choices we make about safety, ethics, and governance will shape its role in our world. This responsibility belongs to everyone, not just scientists but philosophers, lawmakers, artists, and citizens. We must be active architects of our future, not passive spectators. Balancing innovation with caution and fostering global cooperation is essential. The key is remembering, we are in control. The future isn't written yet. AI can help us solve our biggest problems if we guide it wisely. With shared responsibility, we can build a better world. The story of AI is ours to write. We stand at a crossroads. AI offers breathtaking opportunity and profound responsibility. Will we be wise stewards, using AI to build and create, or careless, letting it spiral out of control? The answer depends on our choices, our conversations, and our priorities as a global community. How do we ensure AI's benefits are shared and its risks contained? These are deeply human questions. The future is coming, powered by AI. Let's make it a good one.